the nickel plate Scherzer rolling lift bridge. It's a railroad rolling lift bridge, and it crosses the Buffalo River, located in Buffalo, New York. And it's abandoned in the raised position, and this is the right here is the CP draw. This is a straw steel train Bascule bridge, which is still in service though. And so, and this bridge which is abandoned, is used by the New York, Chicago, and St. Louis Railroad, and now nickel plate. So, and you know, they ain't removed this bridge, so it still is abandoned. So, look at the rollers and everything. So, of this bridge. So, it's located in Buffalo, New York.